Hi friend, Marian here. Great morning. We are still in Tarlac but we'd like to share with you God's Word. So ang ano natin ngayon is Daily Hope by Pastor Rick Warren. So it talks about discover your destiny. Are you ready to make a commitment? So yung Bible verse natin is from Esther 4 verse 16. Though it is against the law, I will go in to see the king. If I must die, I must die. So, sabi ni Pastor Rick Warren, to discover your destiny and live out God's calling on your life, you must make a faith commitment to Him. So, yan, friend. Can we make a commitment to the Lord na yun? We'd like to help Him spread the word, to spread His love to others. So, sabi nga, maraming Bible verse that talks about the importance of faith. Without faith, it is impossible to please God. That's from Hebrews 11 verse 6. According to your faith, for it is to be done to you. According to faith, let it be done to you. So that's Matthew 9 verse 29. The righteous will live by their faithfulness to God. Habakkuk 2 verse 4. Anything is possible for someone who has faith. Mark 9 verse 22. So friends, siguro yung question, do we like to live God's plan for us? No? So, kumbaga, we have to do our share. We have to do commit to the Lord na we're willing to learn, we're willing to take the chance to help Him spread His love, His word to others. It's not easy, I know, but parang yun nga, we have to find that, we have to discover yung destiny the Lord sa atin. Sabi niya, you're not ready to truly live until you have qualified and clarified in your heart what you're willing to die for. Living a life of purpose will require you to decide between working for the good things and working for the most important thing. Making a faith commitment means declaring what you're willing to give your time, your talent, or treasure, or your entire life. Friend, na-experience mo na ba yun? Parang na-obsess ka into something that you have to do it, you have to accomplish it. For example, a career or education, parang hanggang hindi mo natatapos yung studies mo, parang you feel you are not complete, or sa career hanggang hindi mo na-reach yung position that you are aspiring for, parang hindi ka ma-content, no? So, it's just like a calling. Parang similar to that, no? So, once you really understand your destiny, it will grab you. You'll go after it in total abandonment. It may not mean you have to give up your life, but it will mean you surrender, you sacrifice, you give your whole heart. So, friend, yan nga yung when you are obsessed, when you are in love, or you're passionate, parang you will do everything to reach God, to reach that destination or that goal. So, our reflection, why is it important to clarify what you're willing to die for? If you never thought about this question, start considering it today. So, yan, what makes you wake up in the morning siguro? Bakit ka nag-aspire? Bakit you are continuing your life? Is discovering your destiny. What good things have you committed to your life instead of the most important thing? God's purpose for you. So, ang pang sinasabi, no? Ano ba? Most important or good things? Medyo we are confused. What faith commitment do you think God might want you to make today? So, it's a question that we have to address. Again, faith commitment that God might want you to make today. So, what is that commitment, or what is that offer or sacrifice we're willing to give to the Lord in order to reach yung destination or yung purpose niya sa atin? Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.